Hi, boys and girls. It's time for Sounds with Mr. Slates. We've been talking about some special sounds in our English language called vowels. If you remember, we tested a, like an apple, e, like an elephant, I, as in igloo, and ah, like an octopus. And we found that all four of those are vowel sounds. Today, we're going to test our like umbrella. Let's do our test. Tell me, when I say the sound, is my mouth open the whole time or does it close? It's open, isn't it? Now, let's see. Can I sing the sound or say it until I run out of breath? Try it. Okay, I could keep going, couldn't I? I definitely can keep holding it out. Now test your throat. Does the sound vibrate? Does my voice box move? It definitely does. So we have learned that and are vowels because they fit all three tests. My mouth is open. I can sing the sound or I can hold it till I run out of breath, and my voice box vibrates or it's voiced. So let's test some other sounds to see if these sounds are vowel sounds. Let's test the letter B. The sound the letter B makes is b, b. Notice how quickly I make that sound. I don't say b, b. I don't add an like an umbrella to the end of my B. So say b. Is my mouth open the whole time when I say b? It's not. It opens and then closes, doesn't it? Now, can I sing it? Let's try it. Ready? Huh. I can't. Unless I add an sound to the end, I cannot hold out the b sound. It's quick and clipped. Now let's test my voice box. B, b. Ooh, I can feel it vibrating. But unfortunately, because the other two tests do not match, this is not a vowel sound. Let's try one more. Say s. That is the sound the letter S makes. S. So is my mouth open? S. It's not. My lips are pulled back, but my teeth are closed. Try to say s with your mouth open. Sounds strange. Doesn't work. Now, can I hold out the sound? S. I sure can. Test and see if your voice box vibrates. S. It shouldn't. So my letter S, my sound, is not a vowel. All right, let's move on to our next sound activity. I say a big word, you echo, and then we pull off the first part and you tell me what's left. Say inventor. Without in, what's left? Venter. Say utensil. Without you, what's left? Tensile. Say tornado. Without tor, what's left? NATO. Say idea. Without I, what's left? Dia. Say performance. Without per, what's left? Formance. Say reunion. Without re, what's left? Union. A reunion is where you meet someone again. You come together. Say torpedo. Without tor, what's left? Pedo. Sounds funny. Say pneumonia. Without na, what's left? Monia. All right, it's time for our last sound activity, which is called deleting. Remember, when we delete something, we take off the first sound and say what's left. Are you ready to echo with Mario? All right, here we go. Oops. Say the word whiz. Whiz. Without what's left? Is. Is. Good job. Say bought. Bought. Without what's left? Bought. Say fade. Fade. Without what's left? Spade. Good job. Say bone. Bone. Without b, what's left? Bone. Bone is what's left. Say these. These. Stick out your tongue. These. Without th, what's left? Ease. Ease is what's left. Ease is like another word for being easy. There is my Sounds with Mr. Slate screen. I have a special favor to ask of you, both me and Mario. This is kind of a boring screen. It's not very exciting. I would like it to be much more exciting. So, what can you do to help? It's so exciting right now, but I think you could make it better. If you think you can make my Sounds with Mr. Slate screen better, please draw a picture that says Sounds with Mr. Slates. Make it colorful. Make it exciting. When you're done, send your picture to the email that's on this screen. Have your parents help, and please do not put your name on the picture. You can put your name in the email. And I might just include your picture on my next Sounds with Mr. Slates. All right. Thank you so much for listening, boys and girls. Have a great day. Bye-bye.